Welcome back to our channel! Happy Women's Day to all the amazing, strong, chaotic, emotional and multitasking women out there! Today we are celebrating women in the most us way possible by playing a fun game called If Given a Chance. If given a chance, what superpower would you want as a woman?
The power to eradicate all bad men in this world.
Yes! Oh my god, yes!
All the bad
Yes.
men who ever,
Yes!
commit all
Yes.
atrocities on women. Like, you look at them and they're like, gone, invisible, that's it. Burst into flames.
The superpower to know if the man that has entered in our life or anybody around us is good or
All
bad.
bad. Given a chance, what's one girl problem you would like to delete forever?
Periods.
How can we not say that? How can we not say that?
Wait up a second. I don't know what do you think about it. Periods तुम बस आओ, give a notification. शायद 30 मिनट के लिए रुक जाओ और फिर चले जाओ. That is it.
And the thing is, why do we need to suffer for like 4 days just to have a kid in future?
I
It should be
know.
like, okay, now we want to have a kid, our body should understand that we need to have a kid and suddenly period should arrive and then that's it.
Yes.
Khatam.
Chance, which beauty trend would you ban forever?
The beauty trend of making yourself plastic
Yes.
rather than being natural. I think that, like, at least right now, that's the trend going on of having lip fillers or Botox and everything.
And we are not saying that it's your own body choice.
Exactly.
You do whatever you want to do, but I feel that
It's not worth it. I feel you own your own body. I know it's a very difficult
I mean,
thing.
I know you have a chance, you have an opportunity to maybe fix something that you don't like in your body. And yeah, but I feel people have started doing that, and then the people who are perceiving it are like, oh, I should have that body. I should look like this, and if I don't look like that, that means I'm ugly or I am not
I don't
fitting.
fit in the
I don't-
standards.
Yeah, exactly. And then it just does not make sense. Like,
kind
love
of-
the way you are, but just don't become a plastic.
And it kind of creates a wrong narrative for young women as well.
Exactly.
They are getting influenced by such beauty standards. It does not exist actually. If given a chance, what stereotype about women would you erase?
Our gender itself is put into so many boxes of stereotypical mindsets and behavior.
Yeah. If you are like a big busted woman and you wear like tight clothes or something, it's stereotypically said that you fall into the sexier, like, you are hot and even if you don't want sluttier, yeah, that's the word. You are actually not trying to showcase that and you just want to look cute, but still you are put into that stereotypical category that this girl wants to show off her body and expose herself, which is completely wrong, I feel.
Yeah.
Because it's something, it's not in our hands. We have it, and you, as men, you should not stare at us. You keep it in your fucking hand. You don't stare at us. Okay, sorry for the word.
That's why women should look in a certain way, should talk in a certain way, should behave.
Should sit in a certain way.
That is what I'm saying. It's just there are so many question marks and so many rules and regulations, and it's all for us. What would you change about the way society treats women? We are privileged to live in Mumbai, and I think all the Mumbai girls will vouch for it that it's so safe here.
Very true.
Right? The society itself makes you feel so safe. Everybody, it's completely a different world for women in Mumbai. I am absolutely hyping up Mumbai in that way because it deserves to. And I feel because we live in the city, we have that
Very true.
but the other cities, I don't think I can say the same thing about
I
it.
would
So I
name
think
a
that
city,
is
like,
the
talk about Delhi.
yeah, exactly, and so many more we are not even aware about. So I think that is one of the change in the society that I
needs
would
to
want
be.
to bring for women to feel safe. That is all we ask. We don't want to be.
I agree to you.
We don't want to be in fear constantly.
Given a chance, what would you tell your younger self as a girl? Very nice questions for you to live reflect back and think about who you are right now.
Yeah, I think I'm just proud of myself. I think we all should be. I think if at one point in our life we all grow up and we look back and we all are like, we are so proud of ourselves. You should be proud of yourself because every day you are growing, you're fighting your battles, and for women I don't think it never ends. But we are thriving.
That you should always dream big, because at the end of it, never stop believing in yourself, because the younger you believed in yourself at that time, and that is the reason why you are here today. So that is something, just always do. Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Keep loving
Please
yourself.
love yourself. Given a chance, what would you do if you woke up as a man for a day? That's
Oh
a
my
question.
God, that is nice. If I become a man, I would remove patriarchy.
Yes! Yes!
That is the answer we need.
Yes,
We
yes.
will remove patriarchy.
But
But
overall, men should also feel safe and women should also feel safe. Patriarchy overall is bad for both the genders. So we'll just, if we
Remove it.
become a man,
But it's given a chance, which one thing men would never survive being a woman?
periods.
And we have lots of examples.
Labor!
But it should happen. I don't know. Men should get pregnant.
I really
It
want
should really happen. Oh my God, I wish.
Seahorse! Let them become seahorse! All the things that we struggle with,
They should feel it. They don't feel fear.
they don't have fear. I'm sorry if you're a man and you're listening to this. I don't think, my dear, you have anything.
They don't.
And don't fear it.
They can walk around on the road at the post office as well. They don't fear that there is going to be someone who's going to chase me.
Given a chance, what message would you give women everywhere?
Just love yourself, and again, don't doubt yourself, because I think we as women try to scrutinize our bodies
So
physically.
much.
For everything we keep self-doubting, I think somewhere. So yeah, we as women we need to just love ourselves. I think that's it.
Self-love, self-confidence, support yourself,
Yeah,
support
very
your
true.
fellow
Girls.
girls. Financially, you need to be
Stand on your
independent.
own.
Stand on your own. That is. If you like the vibe,
And our bestie energy,
you know what to do.
go like
Hit subscribe
and join the bestie gang. Toodaloos!